Hello children, welcome back for the other video classes. Hope you all doing well at home. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further videos. Me Naz back with the subject English topic The Outsider, poem 9 for grade 5, page number 115 to 116. Well children, today we have a very beautiful and interesting poem, that's the Outsider. So let me go through once with the poem and later I am going to explain you about this poem. I am handicapped and wheelchair bound, expected to sit and not make a sound, just to smile and let the world go by, with silently patience and never sigh. Inside my head, thoughts come and go. Ideas are born which long to flow from my lips and link me with others. But words sound strange, so on one bothers. My tongue and lips do not as I ask. I cannot perform a simplest task. But I have a mind and I am still there. Don't lock me out in your ignorance there. Talk thoughts I seem not to understand. Touch me, include me, hold my hand. I am alive and I have time to give. Let me share in the life I was given to live. This was the poem. Now let me explain you about this poem. This is an anonymous poem. The poet is also physical. Here the poet feelings and aspirations are expressed. The poem is adaptly titled as an outsider because normally people consider the disabled people as outsider and treat them differently. The poet describes himself as handicapped and wheelchair bound. Normal people accept them to sit silently and smile and let the other peoples go about their business. They accept the physical challenged people to be calm and never worry about their disabilities. The poet says that although he is physically disabled, they are mentally as able as the normal person. They also have the ability to think and perform ideas which they ear to share with others. But because their thoughts, ideas, and words appear strange to normal people, no one bothers to listen to them. They are usually ignored by others. The poet is unhappy that his tongue or lips cannot perform the simplest task, which required because the speaker is also dumb. But the poet is happy to let us know that his mind is just as active as normal people are. He pleases the normal people to recognize and need to his thoughts and ideas are requested them to not ignore them. The poet may also be deaf because he says, I like to be included in the day's business of the normal people. He pleased with them to touch, includes, and hold their hands. The poet pleased with them, do not ignore and tell them that even he is alive and is able to spend time with others just like normal people. So children, this was the explanation about this poem. Kindly go through with this poem twice to understand the explanation. Again, see you in the next video class. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, and thank you very much.